A boy studied in a hostel for 10 years. Far away from home. And when he came back, he still loved his parents, siblings, grandparents with similar intensity as before. Did he do some extra efforts to make it work? No. Did the long-distance relationship work? Obviously yes. Hence proved, long-distance relationships work. Now the same guy fell for a girl in his college. Mesmerized by her beauty, he was left spellbound. Finally he proposed her one day and she accepted. They spent the next year together, enjoyed, romanced, traveled. Finally both had to move to different cities for work. Initially things worked well. But physical presence was missing. Guy started feeling frustrated and deprived. After a few months, he was again mesmerized by the beauty of another girl. Everything appeared exciting again. His old girlfriend started appearing a little boring. He took a few indirect steps and convinced the new girl. Finally he started cutting contacts with the previous girlfriend. Slowly ignored her, made her felt unimportant. Finally ended the relationship one day and started a new one. The same guy who did not lose love and importance for his family staying away from 10 years got bored and ditched his girlfriend in a separation of less than a year. Why? Because there wasn't any true love in their relationship. If they truly loved each other, there would have been dedication and the right intention to be together forever. Physical distance wouldn't fail this relationship as well. Personally, I have seen couples being separated for years and sometimes by different countries, still they ended up being happily married for life. Because when there is true love, distance brings you closer.